Hi guys, today I'll be doing totally different thing, which is talking about Android phones. I'm a Mac man. I use MacBook, I use iPad, I use iPhone, and I'm totally a Mac man. But one of my friends, Kaveri, on Twitter, she told me that she's using. I'll just read that to you. Thanks. We have both in the family, but I personally switched to an Android after iPhone 10. I keep switching back and forth. And also, she said that she would be interested only in tips and tricks for Androids, and she's using a Samsung. So, this episode is dedicated to Kaveri. Here you go, Kaveri. I hope you find it useful. Okay, guys, let's get on with the tutorial. At the end of the tutorial, or towards the end of the tutorial, I shall be giving you a bonus tutorial. I'll let you know what it is. Start with the Android phone. Here I have opened the WhatsApp and I want to take a snapshot of this. What I'll do is I'll press the button on the right of my mobile phone and the volume decrease button on the left and press them at the same time, and that will actually give me a snapshot. You can see the snapshot there. And once you have the snapshot, you can do a few things with it. So I'll press on edit, which is the middle button in the lower row. And once I've done that, I can choose a few more things. Here I will choose crop and rotate, and I will crop the snapshot to whatever I want to keep. In this case, I'll try to keep that photograph of mine, and the rest of it shall of course be discarded. So once I'm happy with the crop, I will press the tick button on the right in the lower row, and then I'll have some more options. I can press on done if I just want to save the cropped part of the snapshot. And probably in this case, Android, most people would want to save it in photos, which belongs to Google itself. So in this case, I'll do an edit because I want to show you a bonus tutorial, and press on beauty, which is third from the left. And I have now another set of options. So here I'm trying to smoothen the skin. You tap on smoothening and you use this slider to adjust the amount of smoothening that you want to do. So if you're happy with it, you then tick on the button. I'm not doing it here. Then after smoothening, you can tap on remove blemishes, and the program actually does quite a good job of removing blemishes. And then if you're happy with it, again you press the tick button on the lower right. Then you can actually slim the face as well. So this is actually the slim face. You choose, or you can actually choose enlarge eyes. Again, you can use the slider to see how much you want to widen the eyes. Just don't make them scary. And then if you're happy with it, again you press on the tick button. You can remove dark circles. Again, the slider is used for the amount of effect that you want to have, and press on the tick button again once you're happy with it. In this case, I'm not doing anything. So if your teeth are showing, you can whiten the teeth as well. That's how you actually can beautify part of your snapshot, or even otherwise you can use a photograph or your portrait photograph to beautify it. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. You can actually subscribe to my channel if you still haven't subscribed, and press the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I shall be coming out with more and more videos quite often. So that's it. Bye bye. Take care. Adios.